Hi, Bam. Daddy's elbow's in the way. I'm going to try rice cereal again today because yesterday you did not want to eat it. Gonna be a ham for the camera. You ready for this? Here, there it is. Some rice cereal. Alright. Here we go. Ready? You're like, maybe not. There we go. What do you think about that? We ate a spoonful. My goodness, or is it just in your mouth? We ate a spoonful. Kinda.
He's tasting it, he doesn't really know how to eat it.
Come on. You think this is funny? Or are you just laughing because I'm laughing? Boop. It's not so bad, is it? Wait, let's do another spoonful, huh? You're doing a lot better at this today than you were yesterday. Yesterday you weren't having it at all. Oop.
That tongue.
He's like, I want it, I just don't know how to get it. Want more? Nah. There we go. At least you're not throwing a huge fit about it. You enjoying yourself? Look at that. Look at that.
Good job, buddy.
Oh, look at his little bit.
Ugh.
Ooh, yum. Look at his bib. Official taste tester. Thank you, Dad. Ooh. Mom's not very good at recording and feeding at the same time, am I? Ready another one? Ready for another one? Open? Yes, no? Yes, no? Open? There we go. Aha. Yummy, huh? Yummy, huh? Ooh. What? There we go. Yummy. There we go. At least you're not hating it. Huh? See, at least I'm not hating it. I'm spitting it, but I'm not hating it. I'm not screaming my little head off. You silly man. go. Is it good? Is it something new? Huh? Is it something new? There you go. Take your time. He keeps trying to go for the spoon. Take your time, little one. We have plenty more to go. You want to feed him a little bit, Dad? Nah. More? Messy process. It's a messy process, but it's a good messy process. Can we get a wipe assist, Dad? There you go. We don't like the wipe assist. Say we don't like the wipe assist. More? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Good job, Bam. Good job. Good job. Oh, you are after that here. More this way. You are after that. There you go. Good job, Bam. Good job. Yeah. More? You like that, huh? You like it, huh? Like, this is what Dad thinks about it. There you go. Good job. Good job, little man. Good job, little man. You're doing so good. You're doing so good. Yeah? Putting a little bit too much on the spoon. There we go. Say mm-mm. 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 Dad, can you hold him up again, please? He's going for the spoon and falling sideways. There we go. What? Oh, okay, more. Okay. There you go. Is that nummy noises? Are you making nummy noises?
Yeah.
You're making nummy noises. Get it off you a little bit. More? Here we go. Ready? Right, last spoonful, okay? Last spoonful. Yummy. Say yummy. Say yummy. Yummy. You're doing really good with this, little man. You're doing really good. You really like it. Yes, you do. Oop. Oop. You really like it, huh? You really like it, huh? You like your food? Huh? Oop. Okay, I'll give you one more bite since you seem to like it. One more bite. There you go. Mommy got it on your nose. See, Mommy got it on my nose. Good job, Bam. Good job. Say hi. Bye-bye, okay? Say bye-bye. Good job.
Huh?